Back home now, the final preparations are done as the two-time winners Kingston College go up against former champions Jamaica College as two urban area teams clash for the first time in 7 years in the ISSA Champions Cup on Saturday at the National Stadium.
Having missed out on a chance to retain the Manning Cup title by crashing out at the semi-final stage, Kingston College will battle this year's winners Jamaica College in the Champions Cup final tomorrow. Head coach of Kingston College, Raymond Watson, says his boys are ready for the challenge.
They were really dejected after losing to St. Andrew Technical, and myself and a lot of other persons really came together individually and as a group tried to motivate them.
Star player for Kingston College, Dejan Whisper Richards, is chomping at the bit to face the dark blues of JC.
It's a deeper feeling than that semi-finals against CC, so if you understand, it would be a better game for me. I would play better.
With the Manning Cup title already secured, JC is aiming to take a second trophy while extending their unbeaten run this season. Head coach of Jamaica College, Davian Ferguson, is aiming to nullify KC's star player.
If I say no, it wouldn't make any sense making that plan. But he's a player that we have a lot of respect for. He's somebody that we enjoy watching, but hopefully on Saturday we won't enjoy watching him, because if we allow him the time and the space to play, he'll definitely be very destructive.
JC's key midfielder Kevon Wilson is not overwhelmed by expectations attached to his surname, but instead is hoping to one day eclipse his father's achievement.
Give me a lot of motivation, to go on the pitch, to work hard, and show the world my quality that it's not just my father. I can do what he has done and the bigger things.
KCU will be seeking their third hold on the title, while Jamaica College will be looking for their second in the contest, which kicks off at 5 p.m. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.
Now, champion.